Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to export table to Excel in Confluence. Now first I'll go ahead and open up my table. So go ahead and open up the page where your table is. So for us it is on this page right here. And the first thing I need you to do is make sure you are in the edit mode. Okay, so for that you can click here on edit, or you can go ahead and press E on your keyboard. And once you are in the edit mode, what I want you to do is just go ahead and click anywhere on the table. Okay, and then right here at the bottom you'll see options. I want you to just go ahead and click on this option right here that says copy, and it copies the whole table. And then you can just go into Excel and just go ahead and paste it. So you can just do Control+V on your keyboard, just like this, or you could also right click and then just go ahead and paste it. Okay, just click here and it has been pasted. And then you can go ahead and save this as an Excel file. And that is how to export table to Excel in Confluence.